Welcome back. Hub rings, spigot rings. Do we need them? Are they necessary? Yes and no. The only time you're going to need them is when you've bought aftermarket wheels. Are they absolutely necessary when you've bought those aftermarket wheels? No. Why do we need them? Well, the main reason is we've bought aftermarket and they don't fit onto the hub, meaning when you fit the wheel to the actual hub, the wheel moves up and down and the bolt holes do not line up. So that means that the center bore inside your wheel is too large for your hub. So that's when you put these on. Little myth, they are not load bearing, hence why they're made out of plastic. Yes, you can get metal ones, but they're more for high performance cars, i.e. racing cars, because they will generate a lot of heat. So for everyday use like me, plastic is good enough. And really they are there to sit on your hub like so. And then when I fit my wheel, all the bolt holes will line up much easier and I don't have to struggle getting it on. I'll show you what I mean with the hub ring off, and then I'll show you with the hub ring on. So at the moment, I haven't got the hub ring on. I tried fitting the wheel and there is lots of movement. The movement can be worse or less depending on how big the center bore of the wheel, of your aftermarket wheel that you've bought is. So this is the center bore here, okay, which is much larger than my hub. I get my hub ring, I can either put it onto the hub straight away or I can put it into the wheel and it fits in there nicely like so. Once you've measured the right size, I can now fit that wheel onto my hub and it will make installing these wheels so much easier. So the hub ring is on, or spigot ring, whatever you want to call it. I've married that wheel up to the hub now and look, no movement, which means I can get one of my bolts in. And with that bolt in now, that wheel is now gripped slightly onto my hub, ready for the rest of those bolts to be installed. So with the hub ring fitted, the reason why I've really done it is because of that bad vibration. Installing that hub ring on, or spigot ring, it really minimized the vibration that I was getting coming through this vehicle. So it was 1,000 times better for me personally to have them fitted. Obviously you put them onto all four wheels as well. I'm just going to be showing you the one. I've now taken the vehicle off the jack, off the stands. I've put the weight now back down onto the wheel and I have to tighten up these bolts. Obviously they have a torque setting. Always look at your manufacturer's torque setting, or for your aftermarket wheels there will be a torque setting for them too. These are around about 160 Newton meters. Should always do in a star formation as well, never go all the way around, because that gives you equal distribution. Just like if you were doing a head gasket. Just to check. So hopefully you found that information useful and you can use it on your own vehicle. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon.